Yeah, when you see me in them place here, you know, see a yard, me say enough people. Yeah, I'm looking outside right now. I wait for the plane to land because me impatient when me a go yard. Yeah, guarantee. Yeah, when me a go yard, me want to get to yard right now. I'm stay abroad right now. Pick up all my friends and families them way. Mostly at Jamaica, we said. As you see, me double for my eyes. That means I and I man stay wise. Yeah, guarantee. I'm more life and I'm more joy and I'm more happiness to all my friends and families worldwide. It's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, and we're gonna take a deep dive because right now we are travel. And while we travel, you know that we pass. Yeah. Now the place we're there right now. Big up all the people them worldwide because worldwide we are go right now. See, we are forward to Jamaica. Big up all the people them in a Senti. Big up the empire. Big up my mother and my father because I them are Jamaica. Yeah, guarantee. Not no one else is greater. Big up my daughters, my brothers, my sisters. Yeah. Yeah, big up to Zafania and Zoe. Big up Sky, yeah, Zakaya. Yeah, big up all my empresses, all the people them on the block. Yeah, big up my sister, Cat. Yeah, yo, Jovi, big up yourself. The phone I work good. You see, me at the airport. Yeah, guarantee, beat and teach. Yeah, want to big up all the foreigners them because right now them get a lesson of the swag of the Jamaican. You are guarantee worldwide. It's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, real Jamaican. Yeah, big up all my brothers and sisters them. Yeah, the Haitians them. Yeah, big up all the Africans them. Yeah, all the Spanish Latina them. Yeah, big them up right now. All the Cubans them. A worldwide me I say. No world bright. You are guarantee. Me I go in, me up on the scene. You are guarantee, you know what I mean. Me there I go and chill back in at the Fort Lauderdale airport. Yeah, right now upon them place I'm here build back. Then as you say, my language, you know, duplicated with English and patois like a sandwich. So I'm more life and I'm more joy, you are guarantee. I real generous them, beautiful girls them in the airport we hang with. Big up all my friends and families them in Georgia. Yeah, me I talk about place like Stone Mountain, yeah, Buckhead, yeah, guarantee. I mean I big up all the people them in Dalton right now. Yeah, I'm big up all the New Yorkers them. Yeah, the Boo Yorkers them, yeah. Yeah, guarantee. I want to big up the people them in the Bronx, give thanks from Gun Hill and them place there. And them place there we know Chester, Boston Road, yeah. Boston Avenue, I guarantee Eastchester, them place there we are talking about. Crows Avenue, Metcalf, Ward, the whole of Brooklyn and them place there, Church Ave, all them place there, Bed-Stuy, yeah. We are talking about all Queens, if you know what I mean. It's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, we're up on the scene. We are fly go a yard, a chat out from Brad. I'm more like, big up my brother Fiberdella, you call me right now, but me a video I look at thing at the airport and I met the people them say, yo, we are fly out here from the show. Yeah, right now, me I roll through with spirit. Me I get with it. Yeah, I met the people them know say, yo, don't forget your yard. Don't sell out your country. Don't sell it out for no rice and pay down. Check it. Your organ tea. Don't be switching. I'm more life and more joy. It's Rastafari soldier. Yeah. Right now, I'm just a walk through and make you know say, yo, we are talking true. Yeah. Big up the people them will go see the Bob Marley movie over the weekend and thing, you organ tea, because you know say Bob Marley movie grossing about $48 million over the weekend. A big shout out for the producer, Paramount and them people, the Rasta, they're on the big screen, if you know what I mean. Yeah, big up yourself. It's Rastafari soldier. Yeah, your favorite Rasta man on the YouTube. You are guarantee. Yeah, now you know say the YouTube is a YouTube. I'm at the Fort Lauderdale airport right now. I fly out. Subscribe, like, and share. The Rasta man is on the plane again, right up into the sky. Me not lie. Big up on yourself. Yeah, more life, more joy. Subscribe, like, and share. Me there yard right now and I'm fraud right now. Yeah. Still gonna be in the studio. Yeah, but I'm gonna be out on this road, rolling like I'm in the rodeo. More life. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, big up. One love, one love.